How to remove white background in Adobe Illustrator. To show you this, I've prepared this logo here, and I just want to go ahead and click on View and show transparency grid so we can see what we're dealing with. Okay, now you can see the white background, and the way we remove this is I just click on this image and I go to the right here where it says Image Trace, and I'm going to choose, for example, 16 colors because this has a lot of colors in it, and I want to preserve every single one of them. Now this may take a bit longer because it has more colors to work with, but you can always limit the amount of colors it can use to reproduce this image. It also depends on your PC's performance, so if you have a faster PC, naturally this would happen a bit faster. Okay, now that this is done, we can go ahead and click expand here on the right, and as you can see, now it's a vector image. Okay, so how do we remove this white background? Well, it might be a little bit trickier than just selecting and deleting it, but there are these white spaces caught inside of the letters, and the way we can remove this is we just click on this image and make sure to ungroup it first, like that, and I just click on this biggest white area, which is the background, and I go to select up here, and from here I can go to same and I choose fill color. This will select all the fills that have the same color, in this case the same color as the background, so I just click on delete like this, and there you go, the background is removed. Now I can go out of this view, and if I group this and move it around, you can see no more background. And that's how you remove the white background from an image in Adobe Illustrator. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.